What's up, guys? So today we are gonna go catfish maybe, and I gotta mow though because the grass is pretty tall. And after that we may go fishing on a little lake, and for mostly catfish because it's rained a lot and the water's probably too muddy to bass fish. But I don't know, we'll see. And I may ride around the four-wheeler a little bit, sight in some guns, and that's about it. Alright, well, see you after mowing. Just look at this creek. I mean, it's just running like crazy. And this ain't even a bad part. Can't drive with one hand. This is where we gotta cross. So honestly, this isn't the bad part, really. The bad part's further down, where we have to cross again. But, yeah. Here's where I gotta cross again. I'm not really worried about the, actual water running. I'm more worried about those rocks right there. I mean, that's still like 7 to 8 inches deep nearly. And further on down, I'm pretty sure there's some big pockets. Well, I say big, it's not like real big, not big enough to hold fish in it. This thing hasn't held any type of fish in it really ever. Yeah, that's the hill I gotta climb. It's really steep. You might not be able to tell that it's real steep, but yeah, it's not that bad though. I think I'll be able to make it pretty easy. Alright guys, we're going to catfish, and we're not going to go set limb lines just because we didn't feel like getting the boat out. But yeah, we'll see you down at the lake.
There you go. That didn't take long.
Nice little channel.
Yeah, it's a nice channel. And I guarantee he swallowed it because he about pulled your rod in the lake. And he's down in there, ain't he? How far down in there is it?
Yeah, I don't know. I can't. You want to open his mouth? Yeah, it's pretty far down there.
Let's see if I can get some pliers. Alright.
Well, there's a channel catfish for you. He's about I don't know, pretty good size one. 2.5 pounds. See if we can get this hook. Yeah, he swallowed it. Guys, I have a treat for you. So we are gonna go down to this creek that comes down from the lake by my house, and since it's been raining a lot, it's flooded. So there's gonna be a lot of carp that wash down it, and we're gonna go bow fish it tonight. And so we got the bow fishing bow right here. So, oh, all right. Let me just show you what I got. So just, you know, plain 808 Zebco, and then I got this arrow here, bow fishing arrow. So whenever it punches in these forks, it'll keep the fish on. And it's just a normal recurve, you know. And so we're gonna be going here in a second. It's gonna be me and my brothers, and well, see you down there. You ready?
Shine it. He's right there. One in here.
There he is. There he is.
I hit him. Hit him.
Just
All right.
above him.
Alright.
Yeah.
Shine out there.
Maybe he's farther down. Maybe. Dude, if one's in here, there's gotta be more.
Come up farther down. Come on. I'll go through here.
Oh, shit. There's a fish. You wanna shoot it? Crap walking in the water. I just shot it.
It's in that deep hole, man. Here, we're gonna go out here. Come on. Probably went back up there.
Oh, oh. I can't see in here, so we're gonna have to go further. We gotta go further down.
Keep pointing. Point a little out there.
Oh, there it is. You ready? Get on.
There's two. Are you ready?
Get on. Aim like 2 feet below him.
Find them again.
There he is.
Hold on, get off of it.
It's right out there.
Get on him.
Oh, you hit him. You hit him, but you just didn't
Alright, yeah.
punch him.
Get up from I can see him.
What is up, guys? Actually heavy. I think Jimmy's back with it.